Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Ken's Show and Tell. I wanted to open up this fuel filter that I had taken off of my 1972 280SE 4.5 and just kind of see if I can see if it's clogged in there or how dirty it is. So I'm going to cut it open. Okay, that's what it looks like cut open. Let's just see if we can pull the paper out and kind of determine how clogged it was or how filthy it actually was. Okay. Well, this in here is melted plastic from cutting the interior. You know, I don't see any reason, any real clogs in here, but it seems like it was a well-made filter, doesn't it? Interesting. So there's a few procedures I'm going to go through. I guess after I've looked at this, the next thing I'm going to do, of course that'll be a different video, is to check the fuel pressure in the line and make sure that's okay. Although look at the tops of this. This is pretty nasty. But that could be coming from my cutting. But the good news is it looks like these Bosch filters made in Spain are well constructed. Okay, interesting. All right. I always wanted to cut open one of these things and see what they look like inside, and there you go. Well, thanks for watching Ken's Show and Tell, and then we'll do a follow-up on checking the fuel pressure in the fuel rails in the engine. I just thought this would be interesting.